The Truthful Parrot. Once upon a time, there was a green forest near a small village. In that forest lived a bright green parrot named Mithu. Mithu was famous for one special quality. He always spoke the truth. Other birds admired his honesty, but sometimes feared it. Near the forest lived a rich merchant named Haridas. Haridas owned a beautiful garden full of fruits. One day, a thief secretly entered the garden at night. Mithu saw the thief stealing mangoes. The parrot shouted loudly, "Thief! Thief!" The thief ran away frightened. Next morning, Haridas heard about the incident. He praised Mithu for saving his garden. Haridas brought Mithu to his house as a reward. He placed Mithu in a golden cage. Though safe, Mithu missed his freedom. One day, Haridas asked Mithu, "Do I rule my house well?" Mithu replied honestly, "You are rich, but you are proud." Haridas became angry at the truth. He stopped giving fruits to Mithu. Days passed and Mithu grew weak. A wise old servant noticed this. He told Haridas, "Truth may hurt, but it helps us improve." Haridas felt ashamed. He apologized to Mithu. Haridas opened the cage. Mithu flew out happily. Before leaving, Mithu said, "Thank you for understanding." Mithu returned to the forest. The birds welcomed him with joy. Mithu shared his lesson with them. Truth should never be punished, he said. Haridas changed his behavior. He became kind and humble. The forest and village lived in peace. Mithu continued speaking the truth fearlessly. Moral: truth may be bitter, but it always leads to wisdom and respect.